Hello, hello, my soil fan bam. So the weather is warming up. Finally, those temps are getting higher. So let's talk about the best ways and the best times to water your outdoor plants. All right. So if you can see right now, I'm taking my water hose and I am making sure that I am focusing on the roots. If you have mulch, you can go ahead and, put some water in that mulch. But the best time to get out and water your plants is either when the sun is going down or early in the morning. If it is going to be, those hot 75 plus 80, 90 degree days, you want to make sure that you're not hitting on the leaves, because what's going to happen is the sun is going to hit on the leaves of the plant and it's just going to make the plant very, very much so hot. Imagine water being thrown on you and you're basically just baking and frying in the sun. All right, so as you can see, I'm making sure that I'm getting inside the plants, getting down to those roots, those areas where they do have shade. So even if the sun is beaming down, that the plant is getting all that it needs to get, but it is not burning up. And of course, making sure, because I do have mulch down there, that I am getting that mulch wet. So once again, it has like a reservoir of water if it needs to. All right. So hope this was helpful to you. Happy growing, my loves. Once again, remember, do not water your plants in the heat of the day when the sun is directly beaming on it, when it is those hot temperatures. Just remember to give it what it needs early in the morning or when the sun is going down, and focus on those roots. All right. Love y'all.